Let's go. It's Friday. We got should be what I would think is going to be a busy day. Maybe not. We're going to see how fast does it take me to make $100 a day. It's it's about 8:15 in the morning on Friday. Got the first one. It's like $30 going. It's going kind of far, like 13 miles, but this will get us on the board, get the skunk out. So let's go shopping. All right, let's go. So we got the first batch shopped and delivered. It wasn't too bad. It was actually pretty easy. One replacement, one refund, but the refund was like one jalapeno. He didn't want nothing else. Guess he's not gonna eat jalapenos today. Picked up a second batch. There's a lot of batches. It must be really busy. There was 15 available batches. So picked up the second one. It's a $21. I don't know. It's right there. Going six or 7 miles, 38 items. Should be pretty easy, but it already looks like it's getting busy out here. So, we'll see. We'll see how many people get my way. Should be fun. Let's go shopping. Damn. Damn. All right. We just got the second order dropped off, shop order dropped off. It was pretty easy. A few replacements. There's 13 available batches. I'm going to cherry pick which one I want to do. I don't want to go far. We'll see which one has the best bang for the buck. But I also need gas too. Fuck. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Okay, so I picked up this third one. It's $14 or something like that, going 2 miles. I forgot how many items it was. It's right there. Yeah, so this should be pretty quick, but I think this store's gonna be fucking packed. Just like the last one was. I shopped it the last one in 30 minutes, but it probably took me 20 minutes to check out. So that's like a whole, basically an hour just to be in the store. And then you gotta deliver it and come back and blah 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 blah. Let's go shopping.
Rolling, baby. You know what time it is.
All right. Just got the third order shop for. It's a fucking madhouse in there. It's a fucking mud house. Yeah, that too. Okay, so took a break for lunch. We're gonna do our fourth Instacart of the day. It's gonna be a $20. 6 items, 17 units going, I don't know, it's far, it's like 13 miles, but it's only 6 items, so technically I should be in and out. This whole thing should take 1 hour, but it's probably not, because the Kroger's that I'm shopping at, both of them are stupid fucking packed. So yeah, but that'll put us at $90 for the day. It's 1 o'clock right now, so after that I'll probably do another big one and then another small one. Let's go. Luckily, we're on top of it. What was in the way? Okay, just got another Instacart. I already shopped it. It was only 5 things, $9, going 4 miles. Not too bad. I didn't want to do anything big because it's fucking packed in there, and I'd be in there for an hour trying to sort through people. So we get this dropped off. That might be the last one. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Probably gonna be the last one. Let's go drop this off. Okay, so I think that's the last of the Instacarts for today. It's 4:30. I think the goal was to see how fast I can get to $100. I think I could have got there in like 3 hours, considering how busy it is and how busy it still is. But lines and crowded stores made it kind of hard. So we ended the day with $115. Not too bad. We'll get after it again tomorrow. There's a storm coming, so I think a lot of people are trying to clean out the grocery stores so that they can hunker down in their houses. So I don't know. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Hopefully it's not, well, I think it's gonna be fucking busy again, so whatever. We'll just deal with it. So yeah. Stay tuned for the next one. Should be tons of fun.